Hey, good morning. This is Miss Hepworth, and I just wanted to go over today's NTI assignment. So I'm already within the Snowmazing folder, and I'm already in the Day 4 core classes, and I've selected uh, my folder, but this information is also good for any of Miss Calhoun's students as well. So today's assigned task is over the through course task, Save the Egg. So if we look here, the first thing that you're going to do is look at this data table. Okay, make sense of it. The first question is to identify a pattern and then describe the relationship between drop time and parachute size. So we have drop times right here, okay? And then we have the different parachute sizes. An easy comparison right here is looking at the average. Okay, they did several trials, so then you can just kind of compare the average to the parachute size and come up with some sort of relationship or pattern. Part B is actually using the relationship that you identified and then coming up with some sort of estimate of what you think would happen if the parachute was larger in size. Part C, okay, is actually looking at these models below to think about the forces acting on the falling egg. They identify a couple of forces, okay, gravity we've talked about, along with the force of air resistance, okay. Earlier in the year, we saw a video, at least I believe in both sections we should have seen it as far as a bowling ball and a feather dropping. Remember what air resistance does, okay? And remember how gravity acts on an object as far as acceleration. So the next thing that you're going to do, okay, after thinking through those two things, those two forces, that you're actually going to create some arrows showing the direction, okay, of the force, and then you're creating those arrows in proportion to the size of the force acting on the egg and parachute. So don't overthink this one. Think about what direction gravity is going to be and think about what force is acting, the other force that they've identified, in opposition to gravity. There's just one more part to this task, okay? Is you're going to construct an explanation for why increasing parachute size results in the egg hitting the ground with a smaller force. So make sure to use your force model in order to support or provide evidence for your explanation. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Be sure to contact me via email, Google Hangouts. I will also be doing a Google meeting today. Fingers crossed that works out around 11:15 if you have any specific questions. Have a great day. Catch you later.